Open house Saturday 10:30 to 12 p.m. Buyers eligible for rate lock incentive being offered by seller or $10,000 towards buyer's closing. Must close by March 31, 2026. Interra Homes presents their Ashford condo in West Point. A 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with 1,978 square feet finished. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash and solid surface counters. Enjoy a light and bright living room with vaulted ceilings and gas log fireplace. The ensuite features a full bathroom and spacious walk-in closet. The second bedroom, also on the main floor, offers a flexible space that can easily transform into an office area. A large mudroom with built-in bench provides direct access to the main level laundry room. The walkout lower level features a finished rec room, third bedroom and another full bath. 2-car garage attached and 10 by 10 wood deck. Close to shop.